TClarke Lubrun, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do these lovely passion twists that are in my head. I absolutely love them. They came out beautiful. It is my birthday, so you know I had to get cute for my birthday, even though we're in quarantine. So thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and share. I used 5 packs of hair and like 3 or 4 strands out of the 6-pack. The hair that I bought was off of Amazon. It's called Toyota Tress. Here we go. Comes in this little baggie with 7 packs, which is a very good deal. And I think I paid $47.95 or something. Altogether with taxes, it came up to $50. And I have Amazon Prime, so I got it in one day. One day, guys. One day. I also came with a crochet hook, even though I have my own. And then it also came with a pack of rubber bands and some little clips, which I did not use. Each pack comes with, I believe, 22 strands. And that was an 18. So this is the 18-inch, as you can see. Going down my back. I don't really like long hair because I will forget it's long and I will sit down on that toilet, y'all, and my hair will be all up in that toilet. We can't do that. All right. So if you would like to see how I achieved my passion twist look, keep on watching and make sure you hit that subscribe button. These next pictures are showing my hair moisturized and my stretching method that I used. Guys, so as you can see, I'm looking a hot mess right now. I'm currently prepping, for my birthday, even though it's going to be a quarantine one. But I still want to look good and feel good, so I am currently getting ready to do passion twists in my hair. As you can see, my hair is already washed. It's already straightened. I have it parted in sections. I wanted to start easy and simple because I'm not a professional hairstylist and I hate doing my hair, so I had to do it as simple as possible. So everything is already parted. In my hair, I used a 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner. I used a daily moisturizer, and I oiled my scalp already. Okay, so these are the products that I currently have in my hair to keep my hair moisturized while this protective style is in. These are the products that I will be using. This is the Olive Miracle Smooth Hold. I'll be using that. And then I'll also be using the African Pride Braid Lock and Twist Gel. Okay, and I'll put those down in the link below as well. You can get them off of Amazon. I got them from Walmart, and they were 3 times cheaper than Amazon has them right now. Amazon has them for, I believe, $10 to $12 each, and in Walmart, I got it literally for $3 and I think $4 or something like that. I'll also be using a crochet hook and the edge brush. This is what the hair looks like. It comes in packs like this. The whole pack comes with 7 baggies of hair, and this is the hair outside of the pack. Okay, the method that I'm going to be doing today is the no rubber band method. I'm coming back to show y'all my progress so far. Also, like most of the other YouTubers did while they were doing this, I did not feel the need to stretch out the hair. I just felt like it was a waste of time. I like the twists exactly how they are. I feel like them stretching it out didn't make a big difference as far as how the twists look. If you guys have tried the passion twist before, leave below in the comments and tell me how you feel about pulling the hair apart and what difference you think it makes. You can leave that down below in the comments for me, okay? All right, I will see you guys when I am almost I am back. As y'all can see, I am basically done. I left 3 twists out so I can show y'all the 3 different methods that I tried to see what I liked best. All right, so I have my first section. Let me just comb it through. As you can see, I did my parts pretty big because I wanted medium to jumbo size twists. All right, leave out some little baby hairs, even though I don't really have baby hairs, but we make our own. So now I am going to braid my hair about a 1/2 inch. You want it to be tight but not too tight so you can pull the crochet needle through. And the braid does not have to be perfect, y'all. right, so that is long enough, as you can see, and that is what is going to secure the twist. All right, so I'm going to take my crochet needle. You can see the clasp, it opens and closes. And like I told you guys before, I'm using 3 strands of hair per twist because I wanted them pretty big. Okay, these are 3 strands. All right, so I'm just twisting the middle so I can make it easier to put on the crochet hook. Now I'm sliding the crochet needle through the braid. As you guys can see, the hoop is open. Now I'm placing the hair onto the latch and then closing the latch and pulling through my braid. Okay, then I take that. All right, so we have a loop. This one, remember, I'm going to do the knotless, so we won't see that knot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this side and pull the other side through. Okay, and the hair might try to get tangled on the other end, but you can work your fingers through that. Okay. All right, so I have one side over here, then I still have that other side. You can kind of even it out, make it even, make sure the hair is pretty much even. Sorry, the hair is getting caught in this clasp that I have over here. All right, so make sure it's even. All right, so I have hair on both sides. It's no knot, it's sliding. This is going to be the knotless. So now all I do, now I'm going to use for my hair, down the shaft of my hair. Not too much because we're going to use it throughout the twist as well. It's just enough to lay it down a little bit. All right, so I take both sides and then I just begin the twist. My hair, I'm leaving on one side only, and I am twisting. All right, and see that? Make sure you twist tight. And I have some of the gel in my hands. I'm just, as I'm going down, I'm rubbing my fingers to add a little bit onto each section. As y'all can see, it looks like it's attached directly to my head, no knot. I would say the no knot would be a good method for like the perimeter of your hair, being that that is what people was going to see more. Like I said, the only con to this is I feel like it was kind of looser than the knot method, but I did like both of them. So, all right, now let it go. All right, so you guys can see it's a little bit loose, but it's secure, but it's not as tight as if you were to do the knot method. So I like it because it's on the perimeter of my hair. It looks like it's coming straight from my root. All right, the next, I just flung that, but okay. The next one I'm going to do, even though it's in the front of my head, but just to show you guys, I'm going to show you with the knot, okay? Hook on the hair, close the latch, and pull through, okay? Grab that loop. Now this one is going to be the knot, okay? So I have that loop. Now I'm grabbing my hair with the passion twist hair, and I'm pulling everything through this time. My hair and the passion twist here through that loop. And then I'm going to pull to secure. I'm going to make sure you pull not too tight because your hair is attached, but pull to kind of minimize that knot, make it as small as possible. You can pull each strand to make sure it's pulling all of the hair. All right. But as you can see the difference between this and this, you see that little knot right there. So this one is a knot. As you twist, it's going to get a little bit smaller, but put some on my hair. And same thing, I put the hair to one side and I start to twist. You guys see that? You see the difference, the knot? So that is why I said I believe the knotless is perfect for the perimeter where you don't want the knots to show. So I might take this out and redo it without the knot. All right, the last method that I wanted to show you guys. I know some people may be concerned about their hair coming out of the twists within a couple of days. So I decided to try the either full braid or the twist method where you twist up your entire strand of hair and then do the passion twist. I did both the braid and the twists. They both pretty much do the same thing. All right, just leave my baby hairs out. All right, y'all. So I'm going to do the braid because I don't feel like twisting, but I'll show you both. So if you were to do the twists, you would still braid the root of your hair 1 inch. And then what you would do is take your hair and separate it into two. Twist this side, and then when you start twisting the passion hair, it'll be on both sides and you'll twist together. But the way I'm going to do now is a full braid down. I'm going to do it that way. I'm going to braid this entirely. It's pretty much same thing. You grab your crochet hook, put it through the braid, grab your 3 strands, do a little twist, wrap it around your finger, and put it through the latch. See that? Close the latch, pull it through the braid. Right, now you grab that loop. I'm going to do, being that it's the perimeter of my hair, I'm going to do the knotless instead of having to take it out. So I pull one side, hold one side, and pull the other side through. Of course, it wants to get tangled. But... all right, so that one side, got the other side. Remember to even it out. All right. Now for this one, I don't need much gel because my hair is braided, so I'm just putting some at the end. All right, so now my braid is now going to be on one side. Remember, if we were doing the twist, you would have 2 sides and they would both be on each side, but being I have the one braid, putting on one side. And then I begin to twist like normal, kind of make it distressed. So as I'm doing that, I'm pulling a little piece off. Make sure it's not going to tangle. But I'm pulling a little piece off to leave out because I like that messy look. My face is all fat and swollen. If y'all didn't know, I am pregnant. 2 more months left, so my nose is spreading. So don't look, okay? Bottom, I'm going to start finger coiling. And this helps it to stay locked. I haven't had any of my twists unravel. I haven't dipped any of it in hot water or did anything to it besides this. And they've all stayed. So I'm kind of debating if I want to dip them in hot water. But this is the part that I left out. Okay. And I am done my entire head. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want. So far, here is it. I am going to go put some jewels in, get my edges together, and get cute and pretty. And then I'm going to come back and show y'all guys the finished results. All right, y'all. I am back. Do y'all see this? The glow up is real. It's your girl birthday. Go shorty. It's your birthday. All right. So I got my jewels in my hair, got my edges as best as I could because I suck at doing edges. My girl Tanya did my makeup. Check out Beauty by Tanya _ you know. And I'm feeling good, looking good. Got my nails. I'll put the link in the chat. All right. So my hair is complete. I am really loving my hair, y'all. So you can see some of the distressed pieces. I really think it makes that look cute. My jewelry. I'm gonna turn around so you can see how long it is down my back. Okay. This is how long it is. I am in love with my hair, y'all. I honestly cannot tell y'all how long it took me because I did it yesterday and the day before yesterday, so I split between 2 days. I have kids, so I don't know how long it took. Just say you need to take at least 5 to 6 hours out of your day to do it. The longest part that took me was parting. I suck at parting, so that takes me forever. But everything else is pretty smooth and pretty simple. Once again, I am in love with my hair. I think I will be doing these again, but check it girl out. All right, y'all. So I have 38 twists in my head, which is not a lot. All right. So this is how we are looking. Like I said, I did get some tips from other YouTubers, and I will link them down below. My main one was Slim Roche. I really loved her video. She explained it really well, and this is where I got my inspiration from. So thank you, girl. So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope that this video was easy for beginners because this was my first time doing this style. So this is definitely a beginner-friendly video. And I want you guys to like, comment, subscribe, and share your girl. Bye, y'all.